I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought. But World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. May God have mercy upon my enemies, because I won't. You can no more win a war than you can win an earthquake. There never was a good war, or a bad peace. What difference does it make to the dead, the orphans, and the homeless, whether the mad destruction is brought under the name of totalitarianism, or the holy name of liberty and democracy? There is no glory in battle worth the blood it costs. It is well that war is so terrible. Otherwise, we would grow too fond of it. War is a cowardly escape from the problems of peace.